Hey there foodies! Are you tired of using plain old water in your cooking? Want to add more flavor and nutrition to your dishes without using chemical seasoning? Then you're in luck because I've got a perfect solution for you. Myeolchi Yuksu, Korean anchovy stock. Add dry anchovy to cold water and bring it to a boil. Simple, only anchovy can make a great soup stock. But shall we add more umami? Konbu, shiitake mushroom, onion, dry shrimp, peppercorn, and the last, my secret recipe, dry apple. Cover to cook, and when it's boiling, simmer it for 20 minutes. Take out everything, and now you have a very delicious Myeolchi Yuksu. With this stock, you can make many kinds of Korean soup and noodle soup. You can also use it instead of water for any recipe for better taste. You can keep this stock for 5 days in the fridge and much longer in the freezer. And that's it for today. Stay tuned for more easy and delicious recipe from your favorite foodie. Until next time, happy cooking! 안녕!